Good morning, everyone. It's still dark in New York City, almost 7. How was everyone's Christmas? Hope everyone had a good time. I was gonna do yesterday, but yesterday was Christmas Day. I wasn't sure everybody's enjoy about Puppet Koi Ikigai Scope. It's still dark. Should I put the lights on? I think it's going to be really... Hi, Tatsan. Good morning. Maybe should I turn it on, the lights? It's pretty dark. Maybe I should. Hold on a second. Okay, I put the lights on because I'm not sure it's gonna get brighter pretty soon or while we are scoping. This is the lights. Oh, this sky is a little crowded. What's the temperature for today? Oh, I just logged in from my Japanese channel. Let me see. I'll do that again. This is my Japanese channel, so if you learn in Japanese, and please feel free to follow Snow Sugar. Today is a Tuesday and 26th. So we are going to review in 2017. Hi, good morning, Mike-san. Oh, thank you so much for stopping by Ikigai Scope. Because I'm doing this scope, I've been reviewing what we did. Koi-san was not here yet. What we do in January, February, March. I already scoping about in Japanese, and from January to April. But English channel, this is the first time to review in 2017. Do you still remember 2017's New Year's resolution? 今年の抱負覚えてますか? Do you still remember? I have a little bit trouble to remembering what was my New Year's resolution, but then I'll remember yesterday. Then I shared my New Year's resolution in Japanese channel. Today sounds like it went back to normal, and yesterday was so quiet. Everything is closed. Everybody's not doing anything. This is our business called Snow Sugar Video. This is YouTube channel. So we are reviewing this year 2017. First of all, we're gonna reviewing what we do Ikigai first week and second week and third week. First week was the first week of October. We talked about the first topic. It's what the world needs. What the world needs. Then second topic was mission, and third topic was passion. I was reviewing what my first week of Ikigai, and I was using paper, like a flashcard, and cutting off the small paper. I didn't talk much because this show would be Koi-san, Puppet Koi-san then he is a male, I'm a female, and I'm not the puppet player. I don't know that's the proper word to describing in English. I wasn't sure I should talk Koi-san's voice. Then I used the paper flashcard to do Ikigai scope with Koi-san. Then I think second or third week we switched to the digital flashcard, which is this one is iPad with Google Slide. That was the first and second week for Ikigai. So this is the Ikigai 4-Venn diagram, and we talked about what the world needs first, then mission and passion. That's our first 3 weeks. So you remember what was your New Year's resolution? If you don't remember, maybe it's a good day to think about what was your New Year's resolution. And did you achieve or not? If you don't remember, it may not be achieved. Then you have to think about 2018 year is coming. So 2018's resolution. So this is Snow Sugar Video's resolution, 2017 resolution. So we wanted to plan pessimistically, so that means break down into detail as possible, and each person as possible. Daily would be ideal. It's impossible to plan 365 days, but may not be impossible. And also, because of the running business, you need to have a goal, sales goal, and a number. We set the number as well, because goal need to be detailed, means using a lot of numbers. Then this is my New Year's resolution: be a great listener. This means when someone's talking, I try not to cut off. I try to listen until finish the sentence and finish the story. That was my New Year's resolution. That was my New Year, which means 2017's resolution. What about yours? Good morning. I started this scope a little late because I woke up a little late. Hope you had a great Christmas and ready for the new year. In Japan, they started to doing lots of the cleanup, because cleanup is great to reviewing this year and also organizing not even house in your mind as well. It's like a clearing up your mind. That's the big cleaning custom, I think. That's called osoji. Soji means clean up, and o means great. The construction noise is getting louder. Hope you don't hear much noises. So this is the kind of subtopic we while we're doing Ikigai. That's Hatarakigai. Hatarakigai in Japanese, and Hataraki means working, so reason for working, reason for being at work, reason for being at work and at our company. I don't hear the music because of the covering noises. So in January 2017, we planned really well. We spent how many whole December and 3 weeks of January to plan detail in 2017. So while we are planning, I think January 24, our WordPress membership site was hacked. That was really a major issue. But the site was developed by our 2016 interns, very great interns. One of them now just working in Google. 4 of them built a website really fast, faster than I expected. Took only 3 weeks to build the complete like a membership site. That was really a great moment for us. But anyway, we're gonna detail about later because we just reviewing January, February, March today. So February. In February, our staff member and started to trial and error live streaming. They researched a lot of different type of live streaming, including YouTube Live, Facebook, and YouNow. That was really interesting to discover so many live streaming platforms. Then we ended up to try and error Periscope. The reason why we picked the Periscope is Periscope is the only platform, I think only platform for not the young, only targeting young generation. And the biggest thing is Periscope is only for the live. They're not mixing together of the recorded video or other stuff, because Facebook is not live streaming platform and YouTube is also not only the live streaming platform. Then most of the platform is targeting for the subscribers only. The Periscope is, we can use it through in Twitter. So some people known as a Twitter Live. So that's a great, we thought this is a great platform to spreading word of video storytelling and what do we do, and we can fundraise using Periscope with Patreon. And there's a 2 or 3 kind of like a team, and we decided to create online video storytelling class weekly. That was in February. In March, we all struggle, all the different team like a Periscope was struggle, and creating online video storytelling classes struggle. We felt the growing pain in March. That was the hardest month, and our sales is not doing really well, and we had faced financial issue, and we decided to take some job from outside of video storytelling. So we are helping other companies, planning, what else? Basic marketing. March was really tough. This is our channel, and if you have a question or sharing your idea, and use Puppet Koi hashtag, that's right here. And we have the Snow Sugar Japanese channel, so maybe I'm gonna log in again to show you what's the channel. This is Snow Sugar channel, so this is the channel. If you learn in Japanese or if you wanna watch in Japanese, please follow Snow Sugar. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a wonderful day. It's already past 7 a.m. Maybe you already on a train or walking to your office. But amazingly, and I've seen a lot of people, because our company is virtual company, so all the interns and the staff is working remotely, not come to office. I see a lot of people and working from home, especially through the Periscope. By 2020, I am sure 40% or maybe even more people started to working virtually. That's why Periscope is a great tool to communicate each other. Maybe we're gonna use the Periscope for our company as well. Okay, here is the today's quote. I use the same quote for Japanese channel as well. Stay focused on the mission. Mission was the topic of second week of Ikigai. Stay focused on the mission. Sounds very simple, but people are distracted and people are not focused one at a time. We already experienced. We know that we've been there. We know that how hard to focus on one thing at a time. Have a productive day today. See you tomorrow. Stay focused, okay? Bye.